Today's video is a complete guide to the Shark Classic Upright Pet Vacuum, NV602UKT. We'll cover setup, the user manual step-by-step, key features, controls, and maintenance so you can get the best performance from your vacuum every day. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Shark Classic Upright Pet Vacuum, Pet Power Brush and Crevice Tool. Smart features? Smart features? Instantly transforms into a portable vacuum with lift away. Simply lift the detachable pod away from the vacuum head to create a lightweight portable vacuum. Perfect for comfortably cleaning stairs and soft furnishings with extended reach for curtains and ceilings. Offering extra reassurance for allergy sufferers, Shark's Anti-Allergen. Complete seal captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, not releasing them back into the air you breathe. Use the purposefully designed pet tool in lift-away mode to quickly remove embedded pet hair from stairs, sofas, curtains, cushions, and more. Easily move around furniture and between rooms with enhanced swivel steering and a long 8-meter power cord. Signature LED headlights help to illuminate hidden dust and pet hair. Specifications. How to use. To assemble your Shark Stratus vacuum, insert the wand into the nozzle, then connect the pod, handle, and hose until each part clicks into place. Finish by installing the odor neutralizer dial and cartridge. Select an intensity, plug it in, and it's ready to use. The Shark Stratus includes multiple accessories that make cleaning easier, with onboard storage pegs for convenience. The crevice tool reaches tight spaces like corners and baseboards, while the upholstery tool lifts pet hair and large debris from curtains, lampshades, delicate fabrics, shelves, tables, and walls. Maintenance. Press the release button to remove it from the pod. Hold it over a bin and pull the rear lever to open the bottom and drop debris hands-free. Close it by lifting the lever back up. Next, press the button on the handle to open the top. Turn the cup upside down and tap out any debris caught in the cyclone. Check for trapped hair to maintain strong suction. Rinse the filters under the dust cup monthly with running water. Don't wring them out. Let them air dry completely, ideally overnight. When reinstalling, fit the felt filter first, then the foam. Make sure the HEPA filter clicks into place before closing the grill. If cleaning performance drops or the nozzle lights turn red, check for clogs. Empty the dust cup, inspect the brush rolls, and remove the soft roller using the release button. Rinse it with water only and air dry for 24 hours. Clear any blockages in the nozzle hose, then reassemble. Available accessories. Want to grab the Shark Classic Upright Pet Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark Classic Upright Pet Vacuum. See you in the next one.